I want to be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. Oh, I want to be on the cover of Booth magazine. My logo next to Bobtail and Grubhub. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. A different VC every night. Oh, I swear David Booth better prepare for when I'm the billionaire. No use to walk on. Lying alone with my head on the phone. No phones are coming, it hurts. I feel I'm drowning, but what else can I do? I maxed out my credit card. I'm all out of cash, I'm so lost without it. I know I was right, believing for so long. I'm all out of cash, what am I without it? It can be the end, I need angels in money. Whatever they say. What are you thinking of? What would Kaplan advise? You know I need you. I'll make it obvious that you want me to. So invest in me, yeah. Let's remove the space between me and you.
Keep it there, keep it there.
I show the money. Damn, I like the way that this feels. So give it to me, yeah. 'Cause I already know that it's good for you.
It's a situation, I've been to many pieces. Nobody ever made me feel the way that you do. You know my motivation, giving my presentation. Excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but tonight you're loving me. Oh, no, tonight you're loving me. Here is when I'm gonna make it happen. This year I'll put all other things aside. Give me this time and show me some progression. We're going for new products and new lines. I want to show you what I can do. Make my first million and enter Europe and Asia. I just can't get enough, and if you move real fast, I'll let it run. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to make millions, and I think I like it. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. And I know, I want to. Oh, I wanna merge with somebody. I wanna be moved by somebody. Yeah, I wanna merge with somebody. With somebody with money. Oh, I wanna hear your bits. I wanna feel the heat in the market. Yeah, I wanna read in the press. With somebody with money.
Yeah, Slattery. Yeah, no, I can't talk right now.